How to start a new Etsy shop. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how you can start your own new Etsy shop from scratch as a complete beginner. So let's get into it. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Etsy.com and you will land on this platform right here. We know that Etsy is an amazing platform to create our own store, and it's a huge marketplace. We can create our own store and sell jewelry and accessories, clothes and shoes, home and living. We can sell, party and wedding products. We can sell arts and collectibles and much, much more. So, how to get started and create your own store? You can actually do this for free. Once you get to Etsy.com, you can see you'll get the sign in option at the top. So you will click on sign in, or you can sign up using your Google account, your Facebook, or you can also continue with your Apple. You can also use your email address and set up a password. Or if you are a complete beginner, you'll just click on register. So again, you can see with the register too, you have to set up a password, enter your first name, or you can continue with Google. So once you sign into your Etsy, this is where you will land. Now we need to sell on Etsy. So the easiest way is you can just scroll down on your website all the way down and you'll get the sell option here and you will find sell on Etsy. Click on this option. And there you go. It will take you to etsy.com/sell. Millions of shoppers can wait to see what you have in store. Click on get started. Once you click on get started, it will take you to create your own store. That's how easy it is to get started with Etsy.com. Now I'll show you how to create a store on Etsy step by step. So the first step is going to be shop preferences. Let's get started. Tell us about you and your shop. First thing, shop language. So we're going to go with English here. You can also go with other languages. Shop country. So this is where you will select your country, and I'm going to select United States. Now, Etsy is actually not available in few of the countries, I think. So make sure to check your country from here and select it. After that, we're going to have to select our shop currency, whatever currency you want to deal in. So I'm just going to go with the USD, but there are other currencies available and you can select it. Once you've added this information, you're going to click on save and continue. All right, so the next step is going to be your shop name, and you need to select a shop name that is catchy and that kind of like represents your brand. If you already have a brand name, then of course you'll choose that. I have selected this one, My Sweet Closet, because this is my brand name. This is the shop name I go for. So I have selected this one, and it'll show you if it's available or not. So this one is available. You can see between 4 to 20 characters, no special characters should be involved, and spaces. So you have selected the store name. That's it. Enter the store name and you'll click on save and continue. There you go. Now, what we need to do is we need to actually create a listing. So the next step is stock your shop. So we're going to actually do that. All right. So add a listing. Click on add a listing here. And this is going to be your first product that you will list on Etsy. And this is how you list a product. It's actually really easy. So I actually sell digital products, so I will be listing that. First, we have to upload a photo for the product. You'll upload the images here. So I have uploaded this image as an example. After that, we have to upload a video. So this is where you can actually bring your product to life. You can upload up to 5 to 15 seconds of a video. So for now, I'm not going to actually upload this. Then we have the listing details. So here you enter a title. I'm just going to go with the simple title here. There you go. Then we have about the listing, who made it, I did, what is it, it's a finished product, when did you made it, I actually made it recently. Category. So in category, we have our clothing. So the different categories available on Etsy. So you'll make sure to kind of like select the right, category for your products, because that will help you with the SEO. Like this. After that, we have primary color. This is optional. Secondary color, size optional, sustainability, but of course you will enter all of these details if you want to sell your products and if you want your store to be more professional. After that, we have the fabrics and sleeves and neckline, clothing style. So now it totally depends on what category you have actually selected, and the category that you have selected, according to that you'll get some of the optional different things here that you need to check. So for me, I'm not going to actually do this now, and I'm going to just fill in the necessary ones. Renewal options, automatic or manual. So keep in mind on Etsy, If you go with the automatic renewal, then there is going to be a fee which is 0.20 USD each time. And then we have a manual where you can renew your products every day, like by yourself, sorry. So what happens is with this, I don't have to pay the fee. And if you don't have that large business, you can do this yourself. Type physical or digital. So for now, I'm actually going with a physical product. So I'm going to go with this one. And then we have a description. In description, I'm just going to write the word hoodie for now, but this is where you will enter all the description about your product. After that, we have production partner. I do not have any sections, tags, and material. Now, tag is also an important thing on Etsy because this actually helps you in the search bar and it helps you with the SEO of your product. So make sure to add different tags and you can add up to 13 tags on Etsy. Then we have our price. So for me, I'm actually just going to go with the 40 USD for my product here. Quantity is going to be 1, and then I can also add the SKU. If you have variations for your product, you will enter the variations here, personalization option, delivery. In delivery, we have some of the important options: postage prices, original post code, processing time, will deliver, delivery services. So of course, if you're creating a store on Etsy, make sure to have all of the information about your business and your delivery, shipment. Item weight. So we're gonna go with the sizes here. Let's just go with this for now. I'm just gonna type in anything. There you go. Once you have added all of the information about your product, you're going to click on Save and Continue, and your product will be saved on Etsy. So after stocking your shop, the next option is going to be how you'll get paid. Now, the stock your shop option is also if you do not want to do it right now, if you want to, first set up your shop and then you want to stock, then it actually depends on you. So then we have how you'll get paid. This is an important option. There are different payment methods available on Etsy. We have PayPal, Visa and MasterCards, we have Discover, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Klarna, and a lot of other protected payment methods. So here you can see for tax purposes, what type of seller are you? If you're individual or business, you'll select your options from here. Individual, most sellers on Etsy fall into this category. So if you're individual, you go with this one. Then you will scroll down a little bit to tell Etsy a little bit more about yourself: country of residence, first name, last name, date of birth, taxpayer address, and you will have to enter your, bank location here. So this is going to be like a personal information that you need to enter. This is the information here. Again, you can see taxpayer address where you have to enter your street name, number, everything. And at the top here. So it's all protected. You don't need to worry about anything. Once you have added how you'll get paid, you'll click on Save and Continue. And after that, you have set up your billing. This is also a little bit personal. You will enter your billing address here, and you will enter your personal information here. And then we have your shop security, where you'll just have to agree to some of the terms and services. Once you actually go through all of these steps, you will be able to get your own store on Etsy, and you will be able to then stock your shop and sell your products. So you can see this is our Etsy.com. And now at the top, I'm getting my shop manager. So if you have a shop on Etsy, then it'll take you to your shop manager right here. This is where you'll get your shop option. And you can also connect your other shops, such as your Shopify, if you have a Redbubble, any other, print on demand, Printify, or Printful. You can actually connect it to your Etsy.com and sell your products. This is what a store looks like on Etsy, and you'll be able to sell your products in no time. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help, and now you know how to get started with Etsy and create your new shop. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.